Happy 4th of July! Are you having a great 4th of July? Today we'll explain fireworks. Yes, the fireworks that explode in the sky and make a lot of color. Now, what makes fireworks? Well, fireworks have 4 parts. The fuel, which usually sulfur or charcoal will simply do, which is just, the thing used for combustion. In fact, every single fire needs fuel. Next, the oxidizer. Because it's going to go quickly, the fire won't get enough oxygen. So the oxidizer will release the oxygen needed, such as perchlorates like potassium perchlorate and sodium bromate. Next, the binder. It just binds all of these together, such as dextrin. Next, we'll see the color. Different metals in the firework will make different kinds of colors. For example, what color?
Red.
For example, red in fireworks contain lithium. Now, crimson fireworks are different. Crimson fireworks contain strontium. Any other colors?
Green.
Green. So green would be barium. Any others?
Orange.
Orange. There's not really a metal with orange colors. You can always test it out with different metals if you want to. But orangish yellow would be sodium. So sodium. And like this, different metals make different colors. Yellow is sodium.
No, yellow.
Mm-hmm.
The yellow color.
Yellow? Yellowish white would be like calcium.
Blue.
Oh, blue. Wait, I'll change the color. Blue would be cesium or cesium compounds. Any other colors?
Green blue.
Well, if you're gonna see a green-blue firework, then it will be most likely copper. Now, why this reaction happens is hidden in the electron orbitals. So the lithium atom has 2 electrons in the 1s orbital. In the 2s orbital, we have 1. Now the heat energy from the fire would give more energy to this outer electron. A man named Niels Bohr said that whenever electrons get more energized, they move out to the outer orbits. In our case, it's going to hop onto the p orbitals, but then it's going to release all of its energy as light, and then hop right back onto the 2s orbitals, as usual. Thanks for watching. Have a great 4th of July, and bye.
Bye.